Hi, rally failure alert. So 2 weeks ago, the stock market plunged. It was down, limit down before the open. And over the next 3 days, as you can see in the chart to my left, it rallied about 1,300 points from 15,300 to 16,600. This rally, the corrective rally, looks to me as if it has failed. We are down 500 points already from the rally high of 16.6. And I think the next leg down is upon us. The economic data continues to show global trade weakening. Global central banks are having difficulty maintaining market confidence. There's a huge gamma trade unwind that's still in process, the details of which I'm not going to get into here because it's quite a complicated issue, but essentially it is forced selling that JP Morgan estimates $100 billion worth of stock. 100 billion is overhanging the market here. In any case, we tend to focus both on market action and on macro world status. I think from a macro perspective, the world continues to suffer weak economic growth. It looks like growth is continuing to slow. Employment rates, the U.S. reported on Friday that the unemployment rate was 5.1%. I think that number is totally bogus. It doesn't count people who've given up looking for work. It doesn't count people who are underemployed. If you have a PhD and you're flipping burgers at McDonald's, you're considered to be employed. But price action wise, you can see it appears as if this rally has failed. I think the rally was corrective. I don't think the buy the dip crowd is going to be rewarded this time. And we've yet to see what happens when the buy the dip crowd turns into sell at any price crowd, which I think we will see. Monday was not really capitulation. There's been numerous periods over the last several years where a large unidentified buyer or buyers have come in to save the market at opportune times. You've got Bullard speaking in October of last year that caused a 2,000 point rally in the market. And I think that they will continue to jawbone. Interestingly enough, recently the Fed seems to be giving the message that they're not going to be swayed by economic data and that they will be raising rates in September. But you never can tell with that gang because they often say precisely the opposite of their intent. Just as if a government assures you that they don't plan on devaluing their currency, then it seems that not only is it inevitable, but it's imminent. Warning for those who are long, I don't think the fundamentals support your position. I think that technical indicators, the stock market price action, for example, doesn't support that position. I think we're heading lower, and I think we're heading a lot lower. I've been saying this now for the last month. You can go back over my YouTube channel and get my thoughts on an almost daily basis. But it's been a couple of days since my last update, and it's been a pretty exciting and emotional roller coaster ride up and down for those who actually trade the market as I do. I am positioned short. I've been positioned short for the last month. I have taken profits, re-established positions, sometimes at better prices, sometimes at worse. But in any case, my overall orientation is short. I think prices are going a lot lower, and I think they're going a lot lower now. Take care.